All right, today we're out at Midwest Motorsports Complex, playing around in a few cars. We've got a GR Corolla, our S2000, and the 2023 Civic Type R. Civic Type R is going to be a separate video, just testing out the Integra Type S damper module out here on this bumpy karting track slash drift track. We've got substitute TOPher in the passenger seat. This is the first time I've driven the S2000 in anger on a track. This is a second gear track. It's kind of a small like autocross type course, but should be a lot of fun. Yeah. That's gonna be fast out here. We're running a set of Bridgestone Potenza RE71 RS tires. We don't have traction control that we have to turn off.
It's just a pure experience.
It's a pure driving experience. What did you think of the ride out here?
Great.
Yeah,
I
pretty
took
good.
my hat off and let the hair go crazy.
Your hair was flowing so majestically in the wind.
Thank you so much for noticing.
Include a clip of that right here. Because I got it.
Did you actually?
I did, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I love this thing. It's just so much fun.
This car's great.
Yeah. Try not to understeer into the Type R. Ooh, yeah. These brakes are nuts.
Just playing Forza today.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, it's so direct. Ooh, lifting a rear wheel there. I heard about that being a thing. I didn't believe it, but there it was. Whoa. Get on power smoothly. Oh, that's weird. Oh, we're catching the GR Corolla. Gonna have to drive this like a front-wheel drive car with it lifting that rear wheel. That's so weird.
It is weird. Changes direction so quickly.
It does. These tires are just incredible. They are absolutely bonkers. Wow. Yeah, when that wheel's up in the air, it just spins like an open diff.
Yeah.
There's so much grip.
There you go. That's a better line through there.
There we go. Tires probably get a little hot at this point. car. Yeah, it is interesting how that rear diff acts. All right. What's Glade doing there?
Oh,
He's probably having some fun.
we are going backwards now.
Yeah, we are. This is okay.
Okay.
It's just us out here. Normally, this wouldn't be condoned behavior. I'm a little torn on what to do here. Not a good autocross car, honestly, with the way that that rear axle hops up. Probably just get a stiffer sway bar
Yeah.
up front. I heard some people do take out the rear sway bar.
I think NASCAR is the way to go.
NASCAR, yeah. A couple cool down laps here. Follow Glade, see what he's up to. What a liberating feeling having full PPF on your GR Corolla. You can just do anything with it. This car is really well balanced.
Yeah.
But also kind of weird in the way that it handles.
It sounds awesome.
It does sound incredible. So much grip. Do a couple of cool down laps.
Oh.
Did he get sideways?
Yeah.
Let's see what the dirt track is like. It's not really what this is for, but
Yeah, it'll be fine.
I think it'll be okay.
It has decent ground clearance, I feel like.
It does, yeah. Just not the right tires.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Here we go. There's a little section through there. That's probably a little bit too steep. There's a big rock there.
Yeah, we should probably get rid of that.
Yep. Go through this. We do have a spare tire.
It does?
Here comes Glade in our rear view.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, nice. Honestly, it's the BRZ that's destined for dirt. Probably not the S2000. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
The GR Corolla is so cool.
I don't know, it's not bad.
Yeah, it feels good.
Not bad. That nose does just dart right in. But the diff is so weird in this car. It's very inconsistent.
Don't forget there's a big rock.
Yeah, we'll watch out for that.
Do you want me to move it?
Maybe so.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get that. I think Glade had the same idea.
This could be a righteous time.
It's a good day.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing looks so good sliding sideways in the rear view. We're moving some bigger rocks out of the way.
Yeah, we should do a full rallycross stage here.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude, your car sideways behind us. So sick.
Yeah, this is good.
Yep.
Good. I wasn't gonna build a rally car out of it,
But now you are. These things happen.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll follow you.
All right. might take the GR Corolla out, see how that does. All right, so we've learned some things.
We have.
Interesting stuff about the S2000. Wonkier handling than I was expecting at the limit, but still doable. I'm curious to see what this would be like on a faster, longer racetrack. Front end is very soft, rear end is very stiff. Engine is amazing, just absolutely amazing. Yeah, first time I've had this off the street, really. As a street car, this car is just perfect. But as a track car, yeah, I prefer my BRZ and Type R.
Well, we had to find out.
We had to find out. Now the decision comes, do I ruin its street manners for track duty, or just track it as is, or just get like a different limited slip diff? That's the question.
Different diff, different sway bar.
Maybe different diff, different sway bars?
Yeah.
Who knows? I'll have to do some research. I'm sure people will comment too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting. All right. Well, there we go. S2000. Fun times. There it is. There's VTEC. Cool. We'll leave it right there. Wow. All right, so maybe we should park these cars elsewhere. S2000 has some interesting characteristics. It's lifting a rear wheel.
Oh yeah, AP1s?
Yeah.
Yeah, these have Torzens, right?
Yeah, that's right. So, yeah.
Anytime, unfortunately, that's the bad thing about Torzens. When one wheel starts to spin, it just sends all available power to
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Yep.
So,
Cool.
hear me out. We start and stop here. It's a standing start. Complete one lap of the kart track, into the oval, around the oval, around the outside, back into the kart lap, and you finish back where you start.
Yeah. And the GR Corolla.
All of them.
All of them. That's not going off-road. This isn't happy off-road. Should have brought the BRZ.
Yeah. Should have brought the AMG GLE 63S coupe.
Yeah, that too.
Yes.
That would have been fun. Yep. All right.
Got it.